welcome to the final part of the C-section recovery series. So this is part 3. If you're watching this and you have not watched part 1 and part 2, please go back and do those first. We talk about common misconception and then healing in those early weeks. So today we're talking about, okay, now that you've made it past that 6, 8, maybe 10 week mark, you feel relatively fully healed. Now what? Okay, we're gonna build on the work that we did in part 2. That's why it's important to watch part 2 first. Okay, so we're gonna start by progressing some of that scar tissue work. Now we're gonna incorporate some skin rolling, added or increased pressure, maybe even getting closer to, if not on the scar, and starting to do some movement and light touch there. We're gonna start adding some gentle core movement. So maybe thinking things like, and a little bit of glutes too, bird dogs, bridges, maybe some really gentle, really toned down breath work that kind of starts to incorporate maybe some dead bugs, okay? If you're still dealing with some tightness or pain, you can find somebody who dry needles or micro needles or maybe even does some e-stim, all things that kind of can help get that tissue moving again and feeling better. We're just taking it just a little bit further each time. So as it starts to feel better, closer to the scar, you creep a little closer until you can actually be on the scar and moving around. Or same thing, we are progressing the breathing now to maybe a little bit more slightly advanced core style movements. But just don't rush into crunches or, having to feel like you need to be on the scar for some of that massage work right away. You want to build back smart. You want to really just take your time, focus on the form and the connection, because the strength will come, I promise. It just takes a little bit of time to rebuild, okay? So in a nutshell, real simple, that's part 3 of my 3-part series. Again, reminder, make sure you catch parts 1 and part 2. They all work very nicely together and they can really help you set a good foundation. And if you're ready for more, my one-on-one coaching can guide you the rest of the way and help you progress at a safe manner that works for you.